If I told you the renovation you're planning right now could actually cost you money when you sell your home? Yeah, not just fail to make a profit, but actually hurt your resale value. Every year, homeowners in Montana spend thousands and sometimes tens of thousands on upgrades they believe will increase their home value, only to find out buyers won't pay extra for them. Today, we're going to break down the renovations that do not pay for themselves, the upgrades buyers don't care about, and if you stay to the end, I'll show you the projects that consistently generate a positive return on investment in our Montana market. So let's save you some money. Here we go with part one. These are renovations that do not pay for themselves. Major kitchen remodels. That's right. I know this one hurts. Everyone loves kitchens, but a full luxury kitchen remodel almost never pays for itself when you're selling. We're talking about custom cabinets, commercial upgrade appliances, you're moving walls around, structural changes. You could spend anywhere from $80,000 to $150,000 on a kitchen remodel budget, and in most markets, including here in Montana, sellers typically recoup only 30 to 50% of high-end kitchen remodels. Why? Well, because buyers they're not going to pay $150,000 more for your house just because you picked premium quartz and a $15,000 range. They'll appreciate it, they'll enjoy it, but they won't reimburse you dollar for dollar. Now here's some Montana insights. In many of our markets, Billings, Bozeman, Helena, Missoula, buyers are value conscious over improving for the neighborhood can actually price you out of that buyer pool. See what I'm saying? If you go overboard, it's not a good idea. Now, before we go further, if you're thinking about selling in the next 12 to 24 months, don't renovate without talking to us first. At Cypress Family Real Estate, we help sellers avoid wasting money on the wrong upgrades. Subscribe to the Montana Real Estate channel right here by tapping that logo down there on the lower right-hand side of your screen or in the description down below, so you don't miss out on future videos on how to maximize your home's value. Our next one are luxury bathroom additions. Now, adding a luxury bathroom sounds like a great idea. You know, steam showers, heated floors, soaking tubs with mountain views. But high-end bathroom additions often return less than 50% of their cost. Why? Well, because buyers expect functional bathrooms, not spa retreats. And in Montana specifically, yeah, large luxury bathrooms in mid-range homes often feel out of place. So a clean, updated, neutral bathroom, yes, okay. A $40,000 spa build-out, yeah, not so much. How about room additions and expansions? Well, adding square footage is expensive, very expensive. So, like for example, a master suite addition, sunrooms, second story builds. These projects often cost $100,000 or more and rarely return full value. Why? Because appraisals are based on comparable sales. If the homes around you don't support the added value, you won't get credit for it. Now, here's a Montana reality check. If you're in a rural or mid-tier neighborhood, adding premium square footage may not match surrounding values. So just be aware of that. And if you're wondering whether your home is a candidate for upgrades before selling, reach out to us. We offer a pre-listing strategy consultation where we'll walk you through your home and tell you exactly what will pay off and what won't. There are a number of resources for that we use, and we've got tons of experience in it. Yeah. Drop us a comment below with your city, and we respond to each one of them. Swimming pools. Yeah, no. In Montana, I don't think so. Pools are almost never a positive ROI. What do you mean almost never? They aren't. They cost 30 or 50,000 plus. There's ongoing maintenance, insurance increases, and remember, we have winters, long winters. Many buyers actually see pools as liability. Unless you're in a luxury segment, and even then it's iffy. This is rarely a winning move. In fact, I know a specific house, beautiful home on about 10 acres in the Stevensville market, beautiful pool. They filled it in, didn't want it. In fact, it probably hurt the market a little bit. Another thing to consider, overly personalized upgrades. Listen, this includes bold patterns, bright accent walls, custom hobby rooms, built-in aquariums, themed basements. The more the specific the design, the smaller your buyer pool becomes. Buyers pay for neutral, they hesitate over personal tastes. Now, if this video is helping you think differently about renovations, hit that like button. It helps move us a little further up in the algorithms, and more Montana homeowners avoid expensive mistakes. We don't want that. And make sure you subscribe, because now we're getting into the good stuff. And that's part 2, renovations that do pay for themselves. 1, garage door replacement. I know, surprises a lot of people. A new garage door can return over 100% of its cost. Why? Well, it's curb appeal. In Montana, garages matter. Believe me, we use them. We need them. A modern insulated garage door improves maintenance or appearance, improves efficiency, and it signals maintenance. And it costs anywhere from, say, $2,000 to $4,000, and the return is often dollar for dollar or better. Another renovation or upgrade would be your entry door replacement. Yeah, your front door is your first impression. Steel or high quality fiberglass replacements can return nearly full value. It improves the security perception, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. It's small cost, big impact. Now, another thing, minor kitchen remodel. Yeah, this is a plus, not a full gut now, mind you. Think paint cabinets, say new hardware, modern lighting, updated countertops. I might be careful with that a little bit. Neutral backsplash. Costs can be anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000, and your return is often 75% to 100%. This refreshes the space without overbuilding it. Now, if you're considering a kitchen update before selling, message us before you start. We can often recommend a $12,000 refresh instead of a $90,000 overhaul, and that difference matters. Just like when my background falls apart. Exterior improvements, well, let's think about this. Exterior projects consistently deliver strong ROI. Fresh exterior paint, updated siding, manufactured stone veneer accents, professional landscaping, power washing. Why? Well, because buyers decide how they feel about a home in the first 8 seconds. Montana buyers especially value clean, well-maintained, structurally sound homes. Finally, basic maintenance and pre-listing repairs. This is the sleeper. You want to fix leaky faucets, loose railing, peeling paint, broken fixtures, dirty carpets, obviously. Maintenance may not feel glamorous, but deferred maintenance destroys buyer confidence. A clean, well-maintained home often sells faster and for more money than a partially renovated one. So here's the takeaway. Renovate for enjoyment. Upgrade strategically for resale. That's right. If you're going to be living in the home for an extended period of time, make those big changes. But if you're going to sell, upgrade strategically. Before you spend $1 preparing to sell your Montana home, talk to a professional who understands your specific market. We have offices in 9 locations across western Montana. We'd love to be a resource for you. We're Cyphers Family Real Estate. We help Montana homeowners make smart decisions. I'm Craig Cyphers. All my contact information is down below. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the Montana Real Estate channel, and reach out for personalized home value and renovation strategy consultations. Because the goal isn't just to improve your house, it's to maximize your return. We'll see you on the next video.